So hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to be showing you the figures in terms of the coronavirus cases, because it's still very alarming, guys, and I want to be able to share this content because I check this every day and I want to be able to share this to you as well. So first, you have to search the World Health Organization website first on Google, and then so this is the website, so just click it there. And then it will show you some topics and news and videos. So this is the official website of the World Health Organization. You can also find videos here on how to reduce the spread or stop the spread of the coronavirus. So in this video, let's go to the corona disease situation dashboard. So it will pop out in a separate screen. And then it will show us the map around the world. And then in here, this is the these are the new cases, so 84,003, and the confirmed cases, which is 3,442,234, and the number of deaths, that's 239,740. So if you scroll down, okay, here, so globally as of today, which is May 4, so May 4 at 2 a.m. there have been, as I've said earlier, 3,442,234 confirmed cases of COVID, and deaths, which is 239,740 deaths reported according to World Health Organization. So these are the trajectory of the confirmed cases over time. So if you look at the daily analytics, so it looks like this. This is what they are talking about when they say curve. So this is the curve right now for the confirmed cases. Highest was April 11 with 90,778 confirmed cases, and then April 25, April 27, May 2, look at this, my friends, May 2, it's still 90,560. So the enemy is still out there. It's still not safe to go out. That's why the government is very alarmed to this. So if you look at the cumulative figure, so these are the figure, my friends, look at that. It's increasing and increasing, and take note, today is the highest so far. Every day is increasing. This is not a joke. Coronavirus is not a joke. It's a lethal enemy. So look at that. May 3 is the highest number of cases, so it's really increasing, guys. So after that, we look at the deaths over time, which is this figure. So this is the daily number of deaths in the whole world. So we look at here. Highest on March was this one, March 29th with 3,369 deaths. Then April 4, which is 6,716 deaths. And look at that. April 16, April 17, and it's giving us an erratic trend. The highest so far is April 30 with 9,785 deaths. And yesterday, May 3rd, it's 8626, so it's giving us an erratic trend. The trend is still pretty high. So for the cumulative trend, look at that, guys. It is increasing, and the peak is the current day or the current date. So it's increasing. This is not a joke. And then for case comparison, they also have data for case comparison. So for Europe, case comparison is 1,544,145 confirmed cases. And then America is 1,433,756. And then Eastern Mediterranean, Western Pacific, and Southeast Asia. If you look at the graph here, it's amazing. If I point to Africa, it will show me like this. And Europe is like that. Americas is like that. So yes. And for the daily cases, so these are the daily cases, still the same with this figure. So it's like that, Europe, Americas, the same. And look at this, my friends, the highest cases by country, territory, or area. So these are the confirmed cases. So United States is leading with 1,125,719. Second is in Spain, which is 217,466. And the next is Italy. And then United Kingdom, 186,000. And then Germany, Russian Federation, France, Turkey, Iran, Brazil, China with 84,401, and then Canada we have 59,365. Okay, and then you can click on each country. So this is the number of confirmed cases. We'll look at the number of deaths per country. So look at this, guys. As of today, May 4, United States of America has 60,710 deaths. This is the highest so far. If you look at the graph here, it has an erratic increasing trend. So this is the highest so far for USA, and then seconded by Italy with 28,884, and then United Kingdom, Spain, France, Belgium, Brazil, Germany, and so on. So for China, they have 4643 deaths. Canada has 3681. So if we look at America, you can click on the country itself. So here, click it. So this is the map in America. This one. So in United States, as of January 20 to May 4, there have been 1,125,719 confirmed cases of COVID with 60,710 deaths. So this is what I'm talking about. What if all of these people die? Or if we look at the number in the whole world, which is, how much was that? Okay, so in the whole world, there have been 3,442,234. What if all of these people will be dead? What happens? That means that there's a greater risk of us being contacted with coronavirus. There's more than 50% of us people that would be likely getting the disease. So if we don't try to cooperate, then all of us are gonna die. I hope not. So let's go back here. Let's go to America. And then, so this is the daily confirmed cases over time. So this is it. So this is March 24, April 5, April 6, April 11, and then April 26. So if you look at the trend, guys, it's rather erratic and it's increasing. And then if you look at this is the daily census. If you look at the cumulative confirmed cases over time, the graph is showing us that it is increasing. And then we'll go to the number of deaths over time. So if you look at this is very, very shocking. So for the daily deaths over time in USA alone is this figure. And if you look at the graph, so this is the graph. It's slowly increasing and increasing and increasing and increasing. And then boom, on May 1st, they have 2,909 deaths. And then look at this, guys. May 3rd, they have 5,000 deaths. So that's like ×2 with the number of deaths from May 1st to May 3. So that's really, really, really high considering the number of confirmed cases in the USA. And then if you look at the cumulative, so that's it, guys. Look at that. It's still increasing. Peak was May 3rd, yesterday, which is 62,406 deaths, and then 5,000 daily increase. So it's increasing daily. If you look at this, so 1931 until 24, 22, 17, it's really increasing. Highest was yesterday with 5,000 daily increase. And today, May 4, we don't have the actual numbers yet because it's still May 4 today, but they have 60,000 deaths and 1696 daily increase. So yesterday was the highest. They reported 5,000 daily increase. So we'll look at the daily number of deaths again. Look at that, guys. May 3rd, this is no joke. This is the highest so far. They said the virus will peak on the last week, 3rd to the last week of April. But look at now. It's the first week of May. And if we look at the United States, yesterday was their peak. We don't know the census today yet because it's still going on. But on May 3rd, this is the highest number of cases. So yeah, that's why the government of Canada is telling us to really stay at home. So if you look at Canada, look at here. Since I am in Canada, I'm giving you the figures in Canada. So this is the map of Canada. And then, so there have been 59,365 confirmed cases of COVID-19 with 3,681 number of deaths. Okay, we'll look at the confirmed cases. So this is the trend. If you look at that, we have the same trend with the United States of America. So this one, this one, this one. And then today, May 4th, we have the most number of confirmed cases, which is 3793 and 1878 daily increase. If you look at that, guys, look at the graph. It's times 2 compared to March 26 and April 7. That's even higher. So look at that. It's times 2.5 fold. So it's not a joke. May 4, the number of cases is still increasing. So if we do not act right now, then we're gonna have the virus. So it's best to stay at home. That's why they are giving us the money to stay at home. And then if you look at the number of deaths, guys, over time is 3681. This is in Canada as of 10 p.m. May 4. And then look at this. So 0 in February until boom, March. First death was March 11, and then it's continually rising. So April 18, 202 deaths. April 20, 160 deaths, and then it's giving us an increasing erratic trend again. With May 3rd is 223 deaths, and then look at this, guys, the same trend in the United States of America, which is the highest. So today, May 4th, 2020, the number of deaths is 235. That's the highest in Canada. So highest on April was 94 deaths. That's just 94 deaths, guys. So that's April 17. And now look at this. May 4 is 235 deaths. That's not a joke. May 4 today is the highest. That's not even the right figure, because today is May 4 and that's 2:26 p.m. in Alberta. So yes. And then for cumulative, look at that. This is the curve that they are talking about. So we need to flatten the curve. Look at that. How do we flatten the curve? So we need to stay at home and take care of our families. The government of Canada is giving us plenty of options to take care of our mental health, to take care of our financial needs and everything. So everything is accessible. This is no joke. Look at this. So we need to flatten the curve so that in the future it won't increase. And then we're gonna go back to the figures here, which is 0. And then yeah, that's why it's not a joke, guys. Today is the highest. It is the highest so far. This one. And then this is the highest confirmed cases too. So the number of deaths and the confirmed cases over time is increasing. This is a dramatic increase as of today. So the enemy is still out there and it's not safe to go out. That's why all of us needs to wear a mask. Please double your mask. If not, wear an N95 mask if you can get one. And then since I am in the Philippines, I am from the Philippines, so we'll look at the figure 19. Since most of my viewers here on YouTube are Filipinos, so we'll look at the trend in the Philippines. So it's here. For the Philippines, we have 9,223 confirmed cases, and then the number of deaths is 607, and then the number of recovered cases is 1214. If you look at this, the number of recovered cases is times 2 with the number of deaths, so that's good. But we still have to take caution because the figure with Canada and America, it's giving us the highest number of cases today. So okay, so I hope that's beneficial to you and you access all of these sites so that you will be informed of the latest update with coronavirus. And I'm gonna be doing a daily video of COVID-19 too, because I'm really affected by these, guys. I have a 7-month-old baby. I just gave birth and it's hard. So we'll just have to cooperate and hope that everything will be okay. And so yes. So thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Stay safe and stay home. And don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell because I'm going to be doing a daily update of the COVID-19 figures. So see ya!